Alright guys, welcome to Test Startups 2023 of all of the window units I have up here right now. No startup of the Amana Cool Zone because it's already running in the window, but I might be able to get that on camera for you guys. So, I don't know which ones I'll do first. I'll probably do this one first, just get out of the way, and then I'll just kind of do those at a time. So first we have the Kenmore made by White Westinghouse, 7000 BTU unit. No idea what kind of compressor this thing has. And it's so hot today that the thing's not clicking off. It has a constant cool setting, which is pretty nice. This was made in 2000. Here we go. Yeah, that compressor gets pretty quiet. These plastic movers I have fixed these. Yeah, it gets pretty cold. And also pretty quiet too. Alright, now we'll move on to this, which has been bumped down to only my second favorite, because the Amana is awesome, but this thing is still really good. I imagine this one's not clicking off either. Way at the end, or at the beginning, I mean. It's a weird sounding thermostat. Typical Reggie lubrication issue. It didn't actually last for that long this time. This one seems to be running a little low on charge, which is unfortunate because this is an awesome unit. Nice Ritchie precision compressor made in Taiwan. Quality stuff right there. One of the last good units. And I think this was made in like 2003 or 2006. Don't know. Now we got this. This is General Electric, made by Haier. 5100 BTU. Like a real thin unit. And I forgot to mention this is 5000, but this is 5100. Don't really know much of a difference there, but it is what it is. This has a Quingen compressor and was made in, I believe, 2010. Alright, here we go. Rattling's just a space heater. Overall, a decent unit. Now we'll move on to this. This is the smaller, higher 5000 BTU unit. This thing's junk. It gets pretty cold though, which is interesting. I don't know when this was from, but this also has a Quingen compressor. And of course the bearings are going down in it. They'd only started doing that a couple years ago. It's kind of weird. You can hardly even hear that compressor because the bearings are so loud. It's a piece of junk, but it works. It's starting to get cold. This isn't too bad of a unit, but it's definitely not great. And lastly, we have this General Electric 5050 BTU. This thing is probably the newest one. Well, it is now, but has a Greek compressor, made in 2016. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Let's turn it on. This thing actually works pretty good for a modern unit. This thing will blow out 48 degrees, which isn't too bad for something modern. The compressor is actually pretty quiet. This was like the very last like decent units we saw from GE, even though it's made by Gree, but you know, whatever. These aren't too bad. And it's surprisingly quiet actually for something as modern as it is, although it is recirculating a lot, which is why it's showing 78 instead of like 80 because it's really hot today. And a lot of you might be wondering, where's the Gold Star? Where's the Magnavox? I sold them. I had to because we're moving and we don't have a lot of space left. We're not gonna have a lot of space for them. So that's what's going on there. Anyways, I'll show you guys the Amana. Love that thing. Listen how quiet that is. That's a nice sounding compressor for a rotary. So yeah, that's the video. I can only film so much.